Uy, Paul! Congrats! Kasal ka na!
Uy, Ramsen, congrats din. Kasal ka na.
Oo naman. Ano, sound trip?
Tara, Eraserheads.
Sure!
With a smile.
Lift your head. Baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way.
Naalala ko noon, pinunto ka pa lang sa akin ni Ate Ro na kinikilig na ako.
With a smile.
At noon pa lang, alam ko na ikaw yung babaeng papakasalan ko.
Try. Baby, you don't have to worry, 'cause there ain't no need to hurry. No one ever said that there's an easy way.
Alam mo, naaalala ko palagi, hindi lang ang una nating pagkikita, kundi ang unang araw kitang pinangarap. At ngayon, ay abot kamay ko na.
Boy, I'll stay through the bad times. Even if I have to fetch you every day, we'll get by with a smile. You can never be too happy in this life. In the world where everybody hates a happy ending story, it's no wonder love can make the world go round. But don't let it bring you down and turn your face into a frown. You'll get along with a little prayer and a song. In a world where everybody hates a happy ending story, it's a wonder love can make the world go round. But don't let it bring you down and turn your face into a frown. You'll get along with a little prayer and a song. Let your head.
Maraming salamat dahil pinili mong umuwi ng Pilipinas. Doon pa lang, alam ko, sobrang mahal mo ako. Sa napakadaming beses kong humindi sa'yo, alam kong ang pinakamagandang oo ko sa buhay ko ay yung pag-oo ko sa'yo bilang asawa mo.
Let me hear you say
Parang kailan lang. 8 years, 8 months na pala tayong mag-best friend. Mula na wala si Mami, pati si Tita Melchi. Sobrang pagpapasalamat ko kay God dahil kasama kita. God always has better plans. Alam kong palaging merong magandang plano si God. Alam ko, yung mami ko na nasa langit, siya ang tumulong sa akin.
one day together, but we fly away and we find all our dreams woven up in the stars. And time wouldn't wait.
Nanay,
It
akasal na
wouldn't
kami.
have to. Forever I'd stay right there beside you. 'Cause all that I need is
Siyempre,
always
thank you,
where
tatay.
you
As
are.
always, kahit wala si nanay.
Let's get lost in a daydream. Over and over we'll fall.
Let's enjoy our wedding. Mahal na mahal kita. Excited na ako to spend our forever. Love, Madel Han.
Maraming salamat, Jesus, kasi binigyan mo ako ng isang Ramsen na sobrang mahal na mahal ako. Ikaw, Ramsen, ikaw ang sagot sa mga dasal ko. Honey, answered prayer kita.
Let's sail away and chase the horizon. We'll lose track of days and won't try to find them. 'Cause I could get lost and know that I'm found with you.
Love you, baby.
We'll watch the sun bow to the stars.
Nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord dahil sinagot ni Lord ang dasal ko na sana bigyan ako ng partner na kasing bait ng Daddy Rodel ko. Sobrang blessed ako dahil ikaw ang isa sa pinakamabuting tao na nakilala ko.
Let's get lost in a daydream. Over and over we'll fall, lost in time, never ending. Oh, 'cause I know that there's
Excited ako sa future natin, baby. Mahal na mahal kita. Lagi mong tatandaan, ikaw ang aking first and last love. Totoo nga ang sabi ni Mami, mine forever.
Let's get lost in a daydream. Over and over we'll fall, lost in time, never ending. Oh, 'cause I know that this is where it begins. Oh, we'll never reach the end. 'Cause I know it doesn't get better than this. Yeah, I know it doesn't